my god, there's like a mom bear and 2 baby cubs. Look at them. Hello, baby. It's like a mama bear and 2 cubs just chilling. There's another one, I think, right behind. Look at the bears. Eating some berries on the side of the road. Oh, so cute. I love some good bears. This guy's in the water. It's so cold. We just pulled over to the side of the road. This lake. I think we've been here before. It's just like on the side of the ice field. There's like so many lakes you can pull off to. And I think there's like a trail that goes around this, but I just don't want to deal with that. And the parking lot's literally up there, so. Made it to Potato Lake. Yeah, I'm singing. I like to sing. Sydney wanted to come here because it looks like her dogs, because they have pointy ears. Do you guys see it? The dog. My dogs don't have pointy ears. So it defeats the purpose of being here, even though it's a very pretty blue lake. We've never been here midday, so usually the mountains, like for sunset, it's pretty, but then it covers the lake, so it doesn't look as blue. Ego's being a very good model. And then up there's like the observation, so you can, there's a little trail that comes down this way, which is a better viewpoint anyways, right, Maple? What is this hike called? Parker Ridge. It's right off the ice field highway. That's decent, like 4 miles. And I think like 1,000 elevation gain. Which is not bad. 1,002 miles. I really need a pee. It's my motivation to keep going. Maple. Hi. The wind and rain has caught up to us. We got some photos, but now there's like no view. Just pure rain. At least it's all downhill from here. We made it to the top, but my cheeks are so red. That was a good hike though. But we got photos like right in time. I see a break in the clouds out there. So time to go find a campsite. Possibly just sit in the car for a while. I gotta pee. We came to Lake Abraham, which is free like dispersed camping, but there used to be like camping all along the shore here. But they've taken that out and made it honestly like developed. Like there's fire rings everywhere and there's like a ton of campsites and like a toilet at the entrance. And I think because it's like a man-made lake, they up the water level. So people like can't camp anymore. Which is very sad, but it's okay. It's free camping, eating food. And Titles were being bad, so he got put into kennel. Maple's being bad about to. Yeah, you being bad. You're gonna get in the kennel soon if you don't stop barking. Woke up to a very windy morning. It was so cold last night. I'm glad we just tent camped. It's my sleeping area. Basically half the car. Kennel, just stuff stacked on top of each other, which is put down. Sydney's making food. Maple's in her little fleece onesie. She was so cold last night, I forgot to put that on. Maple and Untitled being awkward. Sydney also slept in her car. So cold. Windy it is, you can see on the water. Another day, another hike. I don't know Wilcox Pass. I think 5 miles round trip. Basically has been uphill the whole time, which I think it will be until we get to the top. People are drinking all the muddy water from Untitled, stuffing in it. Back to the Abraham campsite, which is basically not dispersed camping anymore. It's just like basically campsites that are really close together. We're in the forest area now because the bottom was all taken up. We're just here to sleep for the night in our cars. They're a little better behaved now that we're not by the road with the dogs running. A little fire, use the rest of our firewood, and just reading on our phones.